I'm really excited to share something with you today. My parents sent me a box of Erector sets that my dad played with when he was a kid, and that I and my brother played with when we were kids. Yes, this is a multi-generational vintage Erector set, or I'm sure multiple sets and pieces added through the years. This is box 1 of 2. I'm really excited to share this with you. I can't wait to open it and see which pieces are in here. I do remember that there was a working plug-in 110 motor in the set that my brother and I played with from my father. Anyway, it's really heavy. Let's go see how much it weighs. It says it weighs almost 25 pounds. Let's see. There's the motor I was talking about. Oh, look at the gears. Might need to check the wires before I plug it in. Well, I really hope this still works. It's so exciting. Check it out! Oh, that's a prize. That is a prize. A prize, a prize. Look at this prize. Thank you, Mom and Dad. This is awesome. Copyright 1954 by the A.C. Gilbert Company. How to get the most fun out of your erector. I only remember one motor from being a kid. Well, I guess this one doesn't have enough parts to work, but maybe I can use it for spares to build one new motor.